camping place now. And yesterday, when we were preparing the stuff, then at Ulemiste we had to evacuate because there was an emergency.
You have only 3 use of minutes. Thank you.
Дамы и господа, внимание! В здании аварийная ситуация. Просьба покинуть здание, используя ближайшую безопасную лестницу.
So there is an emergency situation in the mall, we needed to leave. So we used the time to bring the stuff we bought to the car.
Yeah, we didn't get like a torch because we don't know where it's now.
The torch you mean? Yeah, the torch we will buy in the Matka Sport. Yeah, we need to get done everything today because we...
Because after breakfast we will go in a few minutes.
Yeah, after breakfast we will depart to the camping.
We go camping. Yeah!
Actually, for the water we have this frigidaire.
I'm here wondering.
You remember?
The gas?
The cooler, the frigidaire, the mobile fridge.
You want to bring that?
Of course. Such way we keep the water cool.
But
This one I want. Baby, get out, get into the car.
Camping, and we had a video for you to show what is the materials we are going to be bringing. Now we're going to be opening this air step air pump. So
What is it for?
it's for pumping this kind of this
Mattress.
air mattress
Very good.
we have. Okay, so this was nothing, and
So we will try it at the camping tomorrow, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to bring this, a Bosch multi-purpose tool. It's like a Swiss knife, but it's got 12 functions. So here is like 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's like a saw. And there is this like a knife, and there's a shoulder knife. There are other it's like a screwdriver flat tip. This is a smaller, and this is a smaller knife here. Oh no, this is a can opener. So the other side, this is another point for opening screw. This is the star, and this is the saw for cutting wood to make fire. And the next one, this is like 2 sides. It's like a file. Wood, and this is for. This comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4, 32. So there are like 32 parts, different types of exchangeable, and it's magnetic. So it's very easy to swap to a different, for example, if let's say you need to fix in an emergency something, with this other you have the option. The other two just now only have like 12, 3 or 4 of this.
Hi guys! Today we're going to be opening for now this Pro flashlight, and also it comes with 9 batteries. I counted it. 9 and 5, I think. I mean 4 and 5. So I'm gonna try to open it. Just to try. Whoa. We have to press this button over here, but first we need to add the battery. Ooh, this is big.
So you can focus it. Very pointy.
Oh my god, it's so. Oh my god.
Or you can
Do it like super big.
spread it. You can try.
I want to do it super tiny. See? It's like a diamond this way and a square this way. And now, giant circle.
Okay. That's Vader's friend.
Waiter's friend.
It's not Vader, it's Vader. Do you know who is the Vader?
Yeah.
Who?
It's the one that gives food to you in the restaurants.
Exactly. Exactly.
Firefly stove.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to open it. I can close it back. So this is how it looks like in the inside, but I think it's inside here. Yeah, it has to be inside here.
Okay.
So maybe it's a bit. Oh, it's a bit like
This camera.
case. Oi, 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 oi. Look, this is how it looks like. You maybe just like take this out. It's very hard. it's opening up. And then we will open this and then put it inside. Just like that. I don't know how to open this. Daddy, how to open this?
Just pull up. There is a holder. Hold the holder.
Oh. So I just open it. Careful, mommy.
Yeah, I'm scared now.
Just do it. Just do from the bottom. Do from the bottom. Okay. So we're going to unbox this now, and I bet it's a lot. I knew that. Move those stuff away. So there's this over here. I have to get it off somehow. Is there a way to get this off? So now there was this paper inside and more things. There's even more things and a pan. There's a pan, I guess, or something. Maybe a pot. And I think this is the top.
The lid.
The lid. And this is a tiny pot.
So maybe that tiny pot will fit.
Maybe.
Yeah. Not. You need to. The surface needs to be flat.
Flat. Okay. Oh, so it goes like this?
That's.
So
If heavy potato is in, it's okay. Still carries.
should go.
Try a bit press.
Press.
Okay.
Now, yesterday my dad bought me this
Lock.
lock for the bicycle, and it has keys with it. It's my very first kind of keys, and I'll show you how it works. No need fire. So you put this in, and this is how you lock it. Easy peasy. Then you take this key and twist it, and it comes out. And the cute figure is a little pink dog. Well, actually there was a green dog, but he bought me the pink one, so it's okay.
Usually.
Okay.
Ciao. Bye, Hedy. Ligas.
He bought the softball set. It has tennis rackets, but it's maybe softball rackets.
It's softball.
And on this side, here's the balls, the softballs. This is a cream to get away the mosquitoes. I already had 2 mosquito bites here. I don't know how it happened.
You had a second one?
They came at the same time. So I will show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's a bit waterish, liquidy. So we have to actually spray it on ourselves so it won't go, so the mosquitoes will go away. But we will spray it on each other because we can't spray it on ourselves. It's too hard. And here is our tent. I will just move it. And here's a picture of the tent. Ooh, it's a bit like in the book that I was reading last time. There was this kind of family that had this kind of tent, and it's the same one. It's the exact same one. So this is my sleeping bag, and it's blue and it's like a bit waterproof. But here it's a bit open.
It's not waterproof, it's okay.
It looks waterproof and it feels like that. So this is the materials that we need to bring for camping. So we ended the video for today. So see you tomorrow. Bye!